Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to teamwork.com for client project collaboration step by step clearly. To get started with teamwork.com, open your web browser. Type in the URL teamwork.com. Once the home page loads, locate the sign up button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. Once you've completed the form, check the box to accept the terms and conditions. Click the Get Started button to proceed. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Go to your email inbox and find the verification email from teamwork.com. Open the email and click on the verification link inside. After verification, you may be redirected back to teamwork.com. Complete any additional setup steps, such as selecting your account plan. Choose the plan that best fits your project collaboration needs. Fill in any additional information required for setting up your workspace. Once everything is filled out, click on Create Workspace to finalize the setup. Now, you can invite team members by entering their email addresses. Send out the invitations to those team members. After they accept the invitation, they will become part of your teamwork.com workspace. You can now create projects, assign tasks, and collaborate effectively with your clients. Explore the features available to enhance your project management experience. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and navigation tools. Start managing your client projects seamlessly with teamwork.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.